ready for probably 2 of the coldest nights you've ever experienced in Southern California?
And look at the temperatures. Only into the 50s.
Cold, cold, cold coming our way.
Now the 3D overview map shows very cold air coming into Southern California. That's very cold air we're talking about. Arctic cold.
We have team coverage on this freezing cold weather.
It's about 48 degrees right now. The skies are clear. It is cold.
I'm absolutely freezing.
5-day forecast shows that we do have a nice day coming up here, and then look at this. It just gets really cold in the 50s. We're talking Arctic cold coming down from the North Pole. Very cold weather.
Soccer practice tonight meant sweats, gloves, and earmuffs.
How long is this going to last?
It's so cold out there.
Extra blanket, the heater, the dog, anything you can do to keep warm.
How long will this Arctic blast last?